Still waiting in line for testing? That way is too inefficient. This double-layer battery explosion-proof test chamber, double efficiency. Check it out! Independent chambers, upper and lower layers, each with a massive 448-liter capacity. This allows customers to conduct different testings. Safety, we take it seriously. Reinforced explosion-proof windows, all-round explosion-proof mesh, double protecting, and explosion-proof safety chains, automatic pressure relief vents ensure your experimental safety. Its temperature range from -40°C to 100°C, with temperature fluctuation plus and minus 0.5°C, temperature uniformity 1°C, and heating rate or cooling rate of 2 to 5°C per minute. That's all for the update. For more information, please follow Climatic Technology.